so we see how to find out before solving that question. Just see what the method first. What I told you, just told you some Hindi meanings, like right. We are talking about right angle triangle. So it will be like this, either like this or like this, or it could be like in another, like it could be like this also, right? 90 degree, 90 degree, 90 degree. So which angle triangle? Right angle triangle. In right angle triangle, how many sides? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. This one is called base. This one is called simply, this one can be called L, and this one is hypotenuse. This one is hypotenuse. So what I told you, we have to remember some Hindi meanings. Base means Aadhar. Base means Aadhar. This one means Lam. This one means Lam. And this one is Kar. So A for what? Aadhar. So A for A. Current. So what's the first letter? Ka. Ka for K. And Lam. L for La for L. Clear now? Now you will have to remember one formula. LA Lal. You guys know about this, I think. Lal Kakka. You guys heard about this? Lal Kakka. But this one is just like one short word to remember. What? Lal Kakka. Lal Kakka. What's the spelling of Lal? You know, no? Simply what's the spelling of Lal? L-A-L. And Kakka, double K-A. This much is clear. Now, the first one is sin theta. The first one is sin theta. Second one is cos theta. And third one is tan theta. Now, what's the condition of this sin theta? So, what will be the opposite of sin theta? Cosec theta. Cos theta, sec theta, tan theta, cot theta. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Now suppose, is this clear? Sin theta means length divided lamb bate curve. Cos theta means aadhar bate curve. And tan theta means lamb bate aadhar. A for aadhar. This much is clear?
Yes, sir.
Now suppose one question is given. Sin theta is equals to 30 degrees. Sin theta is equals to
30 degree.
30 degrees. That means what? Sin theta is equals to what? 30 degrees. So sin theta means
So it's lamb bate
lamb bate current. Lamb bate current is equals to 30 degrees. Denominator is nothing. So what we can suppose? 1. That means length is equals to what? 30. This one is equals to 30. And K means hypotenuse current. So current is equals to 1. 1 is 30 and 1 is 1. Now if it's given tan theta is equals to root 5 divided by 1. Tan theta is equals to root 5 divided by 1. So that means what? Tan theta means what? Lamb bate aadhar. So length is equals to root 5 and aadhar is equals to 1. So what's the meaning of this? Like whatever the right angle triangle we have, length will be what? Root 5. And aadhar means base is equals to 1. So in right angle triangle, how many sides are given? 1, 2. So first of all, we have to find out the missing side. Missing side. So formula is clear now how to find out the missing side. If hypotenuse is missing, hypotenuse means current. If hypotenuse is missing, so what's the formula? Hypotenuse is equals to length square plus base square. Okay. If base is missing, so base is equals to hypotenuse square minus length square. If length is missing or height, so if length is missing, that means hypotenuse square minus base square. Is this clear?
Yes.
You will have to remember this formula and this one. What's the short word? Lal Kakka. Lal Kakka. The first one is sin theta, second one is cos theta, third one is tan theta. And what's the opposite of sin theta? Cosec theta. What's the opposite of cos theta? Sec theta. What's the opposite of tan theta? Cot theta. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Now see one question. If the question is if sine theta is equals to just take anything 3 divided by 5. If sine theta is equals to 3 divided by 5, then find the find the value of sine theta completed. What's the remaining values?
Sir,
Cos theta,
tan theta,
tan theta,
cosec theta,
cosec theta, sec theta, and cot theta. This is the question. Only one value is given. If what is given, sine theta is equals to 3 divided by 5, then we have to find out the value of cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta, and cot theta. Should I erase this? No. Okay, let's see. So first of all, let's write down solution. What we have to write down first? Solution. And after that, what we have to write down? Given that. So whatever is given, write down. What is given? Sin theta is equals to 3 divided by 5. And then write down, we have to find out. We have to find out the value of the value of what?
Sir, cos theta,
Cos theta,
cosec theta,
cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta, cot theta. This much is clear. The whatever is given. Okay, we have to draw the diagram also one. Just draw one diagram like this. Right angle triangle. Just give a name A, B, C. So what is given? We know that sine theta. Okay, whatever is given, just write down. Sine theta is equals to what? 3 divided by 5. So write down here, we know that sine theta is equals to what? Length divided by current. So current means hypotenuse. We know that, and after that, what we have to write down? So in place of sine theta, now what we will write down? Length divided by hypotenuse is equals to 3 divided by 5. That means length is equals to what? 3. And hypotenuse is equals to what? 5. This much is clear. The write down length is equals to 3. Hypotenuse is equals to 5. So now we have length and we have hypotenuse. What is missing? Base. What is missing? Base. So we have to find out the base. And to find out the missing side in right angle triangle, we use Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. Now, by Pythagoras theorem. Now by Pythagoras theorem, what we have to find out? Base. So if you want, then directly you can write down the base formula, or first of all write down this formula. Hypotenuse is equals to what? We know that hypotenuse is equals to root base square plus length square, or length square plus base square. Write down like that. Length square plus base square. But what we have to find out here? Base. So that base is equals to what? Base is equals to root hypotenuse square minus length square. The next step, base is equals to root hypotenuse. What's the value of hypotenuse? 5. 5 square minus length. Length is equals to what? 3. So 3 square. This step is clear. Then base is equals to root 5 square means 25 minus 3 square means 9. So base is equals to what now? 15 16, I think. 16 or not? 16. Now base, is there any root value of 16? We know that 16 can be written as 4 into 4. That means it can be written as 4 to power 2. Now square and root cancel. What's remaining? 4. That means base is equals to what now?
4.
4. So write down base is equals to 4.
4.
Now we have all the three sides,
Yes, sir.
length, base and hypotenuse. Now we can find out all the value by using what? Lal Kakka. You have to remember this, otherwise you can't solve this. Okay. So sin theta already given. What we have to find out now? Cos
Theta.
theta. So write down now cos theta. So cos theta is equals to what?
So cos theta is good. So sir,
Aadhar by taken, and Aadhar is what? Base divided by. So just write down base divided by current, and in current hypotenuse. So is equals to what? Base is equals to what here?
So 4.
4. 4 divided by hypotenuse is equals to
5.
So this is the first answer. Cos theta. After cos theta, what's the next one?
Tan theta.
Tan theta. So again, tan theta is equals to what? Length divided by base. So length means,
Lump.
okay, just L divided by Aadhar. Aadhar means
Base.
So L divided by B.
Base.
L is equals to what here? I mean length
3.
3 divided by base is equals to what?
4.
4. So this is the second answer. Sin, cos, tan, then cosec. So cosec theta is equals to what? Cosec theta is the opposite of sin theta. So cosec theta is equals to
Current bate lump.
current bate lump. In English, current means hypotenuse divided by lump means
Length.
So what's the value of hypotenuse here?
5.
5. Divided by length is equals to what?
3.
3. So this is the value of cosec theta. After cosec theta, what we have to find out? Sec theta. So sec theta is equals to current divided by Aadhar. Current means hypotenuse and Aadhar means base. So write down which one? Sec theta. Sec theta. Sec theta is equals to what? Current bate Aadhar, and current means hypotenuse. Aadhar means base. Is equals to what? Just 5 by 4. So this is the value of another one. After sec theta, what we have to find out?
Cot theta.
Cot theta. So write down cot theta. Now cot theta is equals to what? Aadhar divided by lump. Aadhar means base. Base divided by lump means length. So length is equals to what? Okay. Now base. Base is equals to what here? What's the value of base? 4. And length is equals to
3.
3. So this is the all answer. Clear? So first of all, what will you do? Okay, first of all, you can just note down this. Okay, this, because this is so important topic for this formula. Okay, just note down this formula first, this much, and after that you can just write down this. Okay, is there any confusion? What's the short word? Lal Kakka. What's the spelling of lal? Double K A. The first part is what? Sin theta or cos theta? Sin theta. Second is cos theta. Third is tan theta. Okay. Important question for 4 to 5 marks. And this topic, important topic, numbers could be different, but the method will be same to same.